If you look at these quad exhaust tips and those black wheels and think this is a Supra, you'd be wrong. This is the vehicle you take the kids to soccer practice in. This is the 2026 Toyota Sienna. Yes, it looks like Toyota designers swapped coffee for energy drinks this year. Just look at the aggression of that grille. It's unclear whether it's eating the road air or the hatchback in front of it. But don't get too excited. Logic still reigns under the hood. Behind that aggressive grille isn't a 5.0-liter V8. You get the reliable, frugal 2.5-liter hybrid unit we all know. Around 245 horsepower. Meaning you won't be smoking Ferraris at the traffic lights, but you will wave goodbye to anyone waiting at the gas station. And let's move inside. Wait a second. Did I get into the wrong car? Look at that ceiling. Are we in a Rolls-Royce or a school bus? This is likely the top-tier special version. The 2026 Sienna has changed the game inside. With red leather seats and this ambient lighting, you truly feel special. So, what about material quality? I can hear you asking. The look is premium, yes. But when you tap it, yes, it's still that familiar, tough, will last until the apocalypse, Japanese plastic here. Toyota is telling us, we made it look stylish, but we kept it durable so you won't cry when your kid spills ice cream. Let's be honest, that makes sense. By the way, if you're like me, the kind of person who says, I'll take the plastic if the engine lasts forever, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the like button below. Let's smash that button, just to spite the algorithm. Let's turn to the back. The designers haven't been lazy here either. Sharp lines, a diffuser-look bumper. This car doesn't just shout, I'm just a minivan in the parking lot. It says, I've got style. And the trunk? Massive. Stroller, groceries, and your mother-in-law's luggage. It swallows everything and asks for dessert. In summary, the 2026 Sienna is fast and furious on the outside, a first-class airplane ticket on the inside, and a frugal accountant under the hood. The price will probably sting, but if you're still looking for a real family vehicle in this SUV madness, we can safely say the king is back. So, what do you think? Is this design too much, or is it exactly what it should be? Would you pay extra for that starry roof? Let's duke it out in the comments. See you in the next video, and don't forget to keep driving.